What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is, your boy JP. I know it's been a long time, but today we're going to do the same thing we do every day, Pinky. Try to take out another radio. Today we have a 07 Saturn Ion, and I'm going to show you how to take this thing out. First thing you want to do is a little silver trim. It's only held in by these little things that have these little ridges on them. Will you focus? You'll see it. Pop that up. Then I just came in here with my hand to try to pop these up. They're held in by clips down here at the bottom, but then you'll see you'll have these clips at the front. Now, in order to actually get this piece off, we want to put this in the lowest position, and that's the way we can actually do that right there. And now I don't even think we need any screws. Let me just use my hand. See if we can just kind of do a little poppage real. All right, guys, I was right. I used my panel removal tool. Had to use two hands, but I started right here at the bottom, and then I went all the way around. And I was able to take out all these little clips. Now this thing can just kind of set right up here while I take my 4 7mm out, and we will have that radio. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this connected because it has that passenger airbag thing on it. But I took those 4 screws out. I was able to take out the radio. Here it is right here. Now let's go ahead and get this thing wired up, and I'll show you what dash kit we're using and all that good stuff. Alright, guys, so the dash kit is pretty simple. There's only this one front piece for the double din and these 2 brackets. So they are labeled with a L on one side for left and a R on one side for right. And what happens is you got these 2 little places right here. They have inserts and they slide right in the front, right in the front of this through the side. After you do that, you put 2 screws in it and you're good. This right here is the wiring harness. I will have all the links to all the parts in the description: radio, wire harness, dash kit, antenna adapter, all that good stuff. And I know what you're thinking, I didn't actually go over how to wire a radio. Well, in order to make these videos as short, sweet, and most efficient as possible, I've only made one video on how to actually wire up a radio, and it is in the card. So if you want to know how to wire up a radio along with any other car audio related how-to, I have tutorials and the one how to wire up a radio video in that card. So if you got the cards turned on, please hit that link in the hit that link in the side. Only thing we're gonna do now is hook this thing back up, put it in, and see what it looks like. I don't know what the hell that is, but this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Now, if you guys find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I try my best to answer all the comments. Other than that, this is your boy JP signing out. You guys have a beautiful day. Be blessed and happy holidays.